What animals is this? What animals? Horse. Good job. This one. Lucas. This one. Daddy. What animals? Mommy you, baby you. What animals mo na ito? Koala. Good job. And this one? Yes. How about this one? Look at this. Ezekiel, tignan mo muna to. What animals? Good job. And this one. Lucas. Baby. What animals? What animals? Bye? Good job. Lucas, this one. Crocodile. Oh, good job. And this one. Ezekiel. This one. Elephant. Huh? You want sakay elephant? How about this? Snake. Good job. Ito anak. Ito, what animals? Kangaroo. Good job. This one. Good job. How about this? Dog. What the dog say? This one. This one. Huh? Yum, yum, yum. Chim? Hindi. Chimpan? Good job. Eat mo yan? How about this? Good job. Hippopotamus. Sit down na, sit down na, sit down. This one. Mouse. And this one. Sea lion. Good job. And this one. Whale. Good job. This one. Good job. This one. Ito anak. You want cheat or cheat? Trick or cheat?
Yes.
This one. This one.
No, I'm a teacher treat our a teacher treat chocolate. And this one. Look.
Oh. Tingin?
Isn't that a bird?